For decades, India depended heavily on foreign fighter aircraft. Russia, France, Britain, our air power was strong, but much of it came from outside the country. Then came a dream to build an Indian fighter jet with Indian brains, Indian engineering, and Indian technology. Many said it was impossible. Many believed India could never create a modern supersonic combat aircraft on its own. But after years of struggle, testing, failures, redesigns, and determination, India finally created the HAL Tejas. The Tejas is a lightweight, single engine, multi role fighter aircraft developed for Indian Air Force. The word Tejas means radiance or brilliance, and the aircraft represents India's journey towards self reliance in aerospace technology. It was designed primarily to replace the aging MiG 21 fleet and become the foundation of India's indigenous fighter program. The aircraft was designed by Aeronautical Development Agency and manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The Tejas program officially began during the 1980s under the Light Combat Aircraft program, but developing a modern fighter jet from scratch was extremely difficult. Countries that build fighter aircraft usually spend decades mastering engine integration, avionics, radar systems, flight control software, and weapon systems. India had to build much of this capability almost from the beginning. When the Tejas finally entered service, it became one of the biggest milestones in Indian aviation history. Today, the aircraft is steadily becoming an important part of India's future air combat capability. Now, if you want to identify the Tejas visually, the aircraft has a very compact and sharp design, unlike the larger Su-30 MKI or Rafale. The Tejas looks smaller and lighter. It uses a tailless delta wing configuration, meaning it has triangular wings without horizontal tail planes. The nose section is narrow and pointed. The air intake is positioned below the cockpit, and the aircraft overall has a sleek aerodynamic structure designed for agility and speed. The Tejas is powered by one General Electric F404 engine in the Mk1 version. Even with a single engine, the aircraft can reach speeds of around Mach 1.6, which is over 1900 kilometers per hour. The aircraft was built using a large percentage of composite materials, making it lighter and harder to detect compared to older metallic aircraft designs. Nearly 45% of the aircraft structure uses carbon fiber composites, which significantly reduce weight and improve performance. Inside the cockpit, the Tejas is highly modern. It features a glass cockpit with malfunctioning digital displays, fly-by-wire control, advanced navigation systems, and modern electronic warfare capability. Fly-by-wire technology means the aircraft's movements are controlled electronically through computers rather than traditional mechanical systems. This makes the aircraft more stable, responsive, and maneuverable during combat. The Tejas was designed for multiple missions. It can perform air defense, interception, ground attack, reconnaissance, and close air support roles. Despite being a lightweight fighter, it can carry a strong weapons load across multiple hardpoints under the wings and fuselage. The aircraft carries air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, laser-guided weapons, rockets, and anti-ship missiles. One major strength of the Tejas is its agility. Because the aircraft is lightweight and aerodynamically efficient, it can perform sharp turns and rapid maneuvers during dogfights. In modern aerial combat, agility combines with advanced radar and missile systems becomes extremely important. The Tejas uses advanced radar systems for target tracking the combat operations. Future variants like the Tejas Mk1A are expected to receive even more advanced AESA radar systems, improved electronic warfare suites, and better beyond visual range combat capability. These upgrades will make the aircraft far more dangerous in future aerial warfare. The aircraft also represents something much bigger than military power. Every successful Tejas flight strengthens India's defense manufacturing ecosystem. Thousands of Indian engineers, scientists, technicians, and private companies contribute to the program. In many ways, the Tejas is not just a fighter jet. It is proof that India can build advanced military technology independently. The Tejas has participated in several international air exercises and demonstrations where its maneuverability and performance impressed aviation experts. It has also operated in high altitude conditions and extreme weather environments, proving its operational reliability. One interesting fact about the Tejas is that it required one of the most complex flight control software development ever attempted in India. Fighter aircraft are naturally unstable by design because instability improves maneuverability. That means computers constantly help keep the aircraft balanced during flight. Developing such software was a huge technological challenge for Indian scientists. The future of the Tejas program is even more exciting. India is now working on Tejas Mk1A and Tejas Mk2 variants with improved radar, weapons, avionics, and combat capability. These aircraft are expected to become major pillars of Indian Air Force in coming decades. The experience gained from Tejas is also helping India develop future stealth aircraft projects like the AMCA. The Tejas is more than just a machine. It is the story of Indian determination, patience, and technological ambition. A fighter born not from shortcuts but from decades of hard work and national vision. Small in size, fast in the skies, and massive in importance. The HAL Tejas is truly India's flying symbol of self-resilience. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.